Hey guys, it's Seth with the Detail Doc here. I just wanted to introduce our new service that we're offering. We're offering paint protection film. What paint protection film is a thin urethane film just like this. This is a little section. It's about 8 mils thick. And the benefits of paint protection film is it's going to protect your vehicle from rock chips, scuffs, physical abrasion is what paint protection film is really going to help out with. So if you have a new vehicle, it's the best time to put paint protection film on. It's going to keep your vehicle looking newer for longer. Essentially, we're just putting an extra layer on top of your paint, and that's going to make your car look newer for longer, keep it looking newer for longer, and protection from the rock chips and physical abrasion. So on my car here, we have a partial hood done. As you can see, it's not very visible, and it lays just on top of the paint. We can apply this to essentially any panel on your vehicle. So we can do a full front end, so like your full bumper, hood, fenders, mirrors, the high impact areas, and then we also have different packages, just depending on what kind of vehicle it is, how you're driving it, what kind of driving conditions the vehicle is going to see. So if you have a new vehicle, or you have a vehicle that you really love, that you really want to protect it from rock chips, physical abrasion, we highly recommend doing our paint protection film service. And then on top of that, to get best of both worlds, we highly recommend doing a ceramic coating on top of the paint protection film, so you get that high gloss, super ease of cleaning, and the protection from the rock chips. So if you want to protect your investment, keep it looking newer for longer, give me a call at 989-244-0505. We'd be more than happy to help you guys out. Thank you guys very much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. Thank you guys.